my god. Okay, this is good. Animal games is. Let's go here. Get in. Okay, we're in the tin. We're inside of this, but I can't see the outside. I know it's the outside. But the mannequins. Oh, anyway, it's gone. Yep, it's gone. It's upgrading this car. Man, I can't open this car. What? Run. I get my car. Dude, there's another tornado that was fast. There's a lot of cars here. Very lot of cars here. Oh, there's a barrel here. There's a big barrel. Let's go. Fishing wrong. Run now. Oh, I will die. I can't handle my car. Bye. Boof. Oh! Yo! Yikes! Yeah, I'm dead. My car is dead. Yeah, my car is dead. No. My car is down. My car is down. Oh no! Yo, I can barely survive. Yeah, I can barely survive it. What? Okay. Dude, the whole thing is gone. Okay, I can buy the. I can buy the Dominator. Yay! I can buy the Dominator. Okay, I'm gonna edit. Boy, and next no shit. Okay, these are all Dominators. Oh, yo! And toys. Oh, I get enough. Get out. We have to get out of here. Can I buy these? Put these. I'm gonna go here. should play like that. Classic. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. With the rocket. Oh my god. With the rocket to me. Oh, yo, yo, go. Oh my god. Yo. Yeah, everything. Yeah, this guy's getting flamed. Oh, it's another tornado. Holy vortex. Oh. Oh, how fast? Yo. Oh my god, we're in a tornado. We're inside of a tornado. Oh, okay, it's gone now. It's gone. Okay, it's gone now. Okay. Alright. Holy debris everywhere. Right, let's go back to the jailer. I'm getting these because I have any money. Okay, I'm getting almost getting money. I'm almost getting the money, which is terrible. Okay, so the wind speed here is the max. Never mind. I don't know. Let's go, let's go. Better raiders, but that's fine. I got it. This game is the best yet I've ever found. It's good, really good. Oh my god, it's a fire tornado! Yo, it's a fire tornado! Fire tornado! Fire tornado! Fire tornado! Fire! Fire! Alright, get it. Oh, shootings! Oh my god, every car is flying! Oh my god, every car is flying! No, 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 no. Other tank is survived. Other tank survived it. Run, run, run. Run, guys! Yeah, no, I'm not gonna survive that. Oh my god! It's a literal fire tornado! It's a literal fire tornado, guys! Holy, it's picking that whole town! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh my god, that car is flying! That car is flying! Oh my god! The car went flying! Oh, never mind. I got hit. Flames everywhere. Oh my god, look at that trail of fires. Okay, now I'm stuck. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, guys, this is why we shouldn't go in the middle of the road here. Middle of the town, or you get stuck by the breeze. That's the good advice for me. Dude, literally, everything's gone. Yo! Everything is gone, man. Okay, I'm not getting one of these. I think Dominator have these a lot of things. I don't know. Wait, is this supposed to be tier 2 something? Wait, what's it tier 2? I bet it's this one. I bet it's tier 2 or repair version. Let's go! Okay, car! Redeploy! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yo, that car has had deployments. Hey. Okay, that's it. Deployment, put the chrome down. Oh, am I? I've been put the chrome down, deploying now. What? Is it going over there? This? Is this me or this going there? Oh, so stupid. I should go over there. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, the car is on fire. Oh my god. Then it was quick. That was very quick. Yeah, I can either do this. 2 V's. What is the 2 V? Yeah, T2. The T2. Server. And deployment. Hey, move your car, man. Get the hell away. Let's go. Oh, ding ding. Oh, what is it, man? What is no in my answer, man? You're very yeah, the night for me. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's going over there. Push it 3. Oh my god, it's a fire tornado. It's a fire tornado, man. You have to go fast. fast like lightning speed. Speed, we need speed. Deployment. Deployment ready. Come on, deploy. We got it. Go. Don't let the fire in. Oh no! Careful, not fire. Holy shit! And I'm dead. And I'm dead once again, guys. That was a surprisingly unpredictable. Look at that tornado. It's very cool. Look at it, very cool too. Oh my god, look at that 12 fires. Everything's on fire. Even the guys over there. What? I might end the video right here. After this intercept. So quick and nice. I like this game. I might play this in a while. I might play this game in few videos of it. Or not. Maybe. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Incredibly innovative. Both. Still fragmented. Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Okay, turn this in. Turn it right here. Yep, I know everything. Yep. Daylight and train station. Well, it's gonna be blurry. Something. Rich! This guy's rich. Okay, last intercept with this fire. Okay, last intercept. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that dust of this. Oh my god, it's so big. That thing is so big. It's a fire tornado again. Wowzers. There's a wowzer thing. There's surprisingly tornado. There's surprisingly big tornado. Okay, deploying here. Right there. Okay, my current's on fire. Yo! Oh my god. Yeah, everything's fire. Yeah, no wonder I can't deploy. Yeah, no wonder I can't deploy. Look at this. Yo! Alright, so that's the last intercept, and but y'all and guys have a good day, and bye bye. Hey, don't stop running into me, you stupid bitch! Get the hell out of here.